So I am just checking into Prime Asia. I'm in room 310. I'm just gonna take you on a quick tour before I totally mess this room up. There's a problem with my key, so we're waiting for the key to come back and activate it. Here is the sink, mirror. This is actually my first tour of the place, so just toilet. Here is the shower. Ooh, I think we have a rainfall, shower head, and bottom here. I like the way this, that looks like one of those. Yeah, it's nice. Actually closes. I have a problem with in the bathroom where the water actually spills outside and it just gets real messy, and then everything is wet, everything is dirty when you start walking in and out, stuff like that. So glad to know I won't have that problem here. So here's the fully stocked fridge. The first line of stuff is mine. Some Coke and a lemonade. Going up, you have a coffee maker, 2 vasos. You have this and but mini bar set for request. You have to request these things. These things are locked up. Yep, they're locked up. So here's a mini bar package. I don't expect to use any of this stuff. You get most of this stuff at the store. You could probably get it cheaper than whatever they're selling it for here. So that's it. This is the bed. That blue towel, this. And that towel that's not white is mine. I bought a towel. This is my stuff here. That's not what you're here for. You got a little night light there. The bed looks comfortable. You got a telephone here. Telephone, remote control, notepad. Yeah. Outlet. Got the chairs. This is a smoking room, which is a rare thing here around here. So happy we got a smoking room, because there doesn't seem to be anywhere that you would actually be able to smoke. Like, we don't have a balcony, and I don't think I saw a smoking area outside. So we got the drawers here. It's like a little workstation. They gave us Wi-Fi password, and they gave us free breakfast for tomorrow. Check-in was 2 p.m. We literally had to wait till about 2 p.m. We were ready at 12, but we still had to wait. Yeah. So they're pretty good with that. Here's the TV. I don't know what channels we got here, but I know at Lewis Grant, for example, we didn't have the basketball NBA basketball TV channel, so I had to go out to actually watch the games, which I did not enjoy. The games I enjoyed, the going out to watch the games I did not enjoy. And I want to say that's about it. I'll be back with a tour of the interior of the hotel, the exterior of the hotel, and it's a pretty decent walk from here to Walking Street. I'm gonna take you to the corner of the main street, and then I guess I'll do another video from that corner to Walking Street, but it'll be sometime in the morning when there's very few people out. All right, and this is Ariel Penn signing off from Prime Asia Hotel. Adios.